gentlemen, please take your partners for a waltz.
You can dance.
I'd surprise myself. Oh, what's that? Sorry.
I think this might help.
That makes it easy, son of mine. Because daughter of mine's already there.
We've been invited to the dance.
Oh, staff entrance, I think, men.
Yeah, well, think again, mate.
Please don't. Not again.
He's different from any other man you've ever met, right?
Yes.
And sometimes he says these strange things, like people in places you've never heard of, yeah? But it's deeper than that. Sometimes when you look in his eyes, you know. You just know that there's something else in there. Something hidden. Right behind the eyes, something hidden away. In the dark.
I don't know what you mean.
Yes, you do. I don't mean to be rude, but the awful thing is it doesn't even matter what you think. But you're nice, and you're lucky, and I just wanted to say sorry for what I'm about to do.
Oh, now, really, Martha, this is getting out of hand. I must insist that you leave.
Do you know what this is? Name it. Go on. Name it.
John, what is that silly thing? John?
You're not John Smith.